strange. Greetings, Portmore, you see me? At the junkyard. E13 stuff, is it? There I say me I go well up the muffler, you know, and buck up on something normal. Take it in. Yeah, early morning setting. Wait for the mechanic to do him thing. Wait for the mechanic to do him thing and I just come take up the spot, you know. And mash up the work now day, yeah. That's how morning start, you know. Roger.
No face, Jack.
Bad skater. Morning time, you know. Next day. Roger the bad skater. Say something, Roger. Monday, you know. There. Where? You know the place. Birds. Always have to big up birds, you know, see it there? Grab two like a sitting car, right? Two shaky. Two parts. You know how it go. I gotta see what I go on later. Yeah, I drive on a bugger sitting, you know. Whole heap of vibration. You feel like the weight, like the engine on drop out. That mount did bad. That mount did bad. And this is the transmission mount thrown at the rear. That did bad. I'm gonna make a mistake, so I want to take a shortcut. You know, all Jamaican phrase we say, parable we say shortcut draw blood, a show. Is it? I'm going to take Spanish Town Road. Oh, so it's stripe and never this one, I tell you. This are the cause, you know? This are the effect. You know, so tighten up back things, you know, so. You know, we have to keep it moving. Alright, morning time, you know? Know the thing go early morning. You know, for breakfast or anything in the car. That's just my thing. But anyway, like a cold start in the morning. I can hear the difference in the car right now. I sit down inside of the car, the engine chuckle. No vibration inside, you know, just the engine here. When it get warm, you give it some rev, make you hear the repair the exhaust. Yeah. Another part that I got, this is the AC hose. I'm not sure if it's the high pressure hose or what. I don't want to tell anything wrong. Who knows? No, for the GA15 engine, E13 AC compressor. This is the hose from the compressor to the condenser. Very important piece that I got. And believe it or not, it was right here for years. Right here at the garage for years. Yeah, no. The mirror control that I got the other day. This mirror is automatic, but I'm not really sure what's going on in there, you know what I mean? Yeah, my perfect dash got damaged during the body work cause the body man take out the glass, and every day I have to go there and cover it up here. Them say I should have take it out and protect it, but that's a lot of work to take out this one, you know what I mean? You should protect my vehicle because you're not working on here, so why not cover all thing, you know? But in the future, I'd like to repair that, maybe flack it or re-wrap it. Yeah. Sunlight are going away out this yeah. You know, typical head unit. iPhone plug-in. Speedometer work. Yeah. Car clean, you know. Yeah, in the future, clean up this, you know. Clean up all of the door panel. Me take off this switch in there, but I take off this so I can access the switch because as you see it damaged. Switch can't be mounted here. You know what I mean? So switch falling off anyway, so I have to take it off. Typical leave the seat them on the back. You know, some little work left for do up on the interior, but you know. Work for the but just to show all the progress so far. And I'm not really do much in here, so you know. I haven't done much in the interior. Other than the few pieces I got the other day, and I got a vacuum, clean it. But yeah, interior is coming up to, you know what I mean? But you know, a lot of work to restore this car. And I bought this car, the best thing about the car was the engine and the transmission. You know what I mean? Got it cheap. Spent some on it. History that again. But it's supposed to warm enough to make you hear the exhaust. Carburetor, you know? Need to get rid of that shit. lot of something will happen. Back on track. She never liked them rev there, you know.